Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Wig Fever, and without further ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get straight into the video. So in the beginning, I'm just showing you guys everything that comes in the packaging. They sent me a few goodies as well as a headband, a wig cap, some lashes, comb, and also some Wig Fever hair bands that you can use to tie your hair down. And they also sent me the wig. So we have a HD lace water wave unit. It is 180% density. This is a 26-inch unit, and it is a glueless HD lace closure wig, pre-plucked, pre-customized, and they really meant that when they said that. So already off the top, I'm loving this wig because I like how the lace is super transparent and super thin, as well as the fact that this unit has no combs in it, so it won't add any tension to the hair. So that means they're listening to their consumers, because I cannot stand wigs that have combs in them. I don't mind them, but sometimes the combs will like snag on your hair or catch in like the nape of your hair, and it just becomes a pain. So here I am. I already did my makeup off camera. I'm just adding some of my foundation that's on my brush onto this lace just to give it a more realistic look. And guys, these curls were popping, okay? So before I forget, make sure you check out everything in the description box below. You know, I always link everything that I'm using, as well as any discount codes that they might send me. So here you just see me, I put on the HD lace wig cap, and I'm just going in and adjusting this strap to where I feel like it'll be nice and snug without being too tight. The reason why I'm doing this first is because this has no combs in it, and it doesn't have like the typical like band in the back. So I just want to make sure that I am putting this on correctly and it's nice and snug, but it won't slide off, okay? That's very important. So I just put it on the nape of my neck here, and I'm just pulling everything back, and then I'm just going to pull that lace closure towards the front. I believe this is a 5x5 closure. And again, I'll link everything down below, but the most important part is the fact that this is glueless, baby. Y'all know that I love me a good glueless wig. I hate when I have to like got to be spray, gel. I'm just a very low maintenance person when it comes to my hair. If you've been following me or you watch my channel, you know that I'm all about looking cute and fly, but I also have 3 kids and my husband's in the military, and I have 2 jobs I'm working. So with that being said, your girl just does not have time in the morning to be trying to do baby hair for 30-40 minutes and melting down a unit. Like, it's just not happening, okay? So I'm just showing you guys how this unit looks up close. As you can see, the knots are super small, super fine, and honestly the lace is already super blended. All I have to do is just cut the excess lace. So here you just see me, I'm just pulling the hair up out of my face, and then I'm going to proceed to start cutting this lace. I always start with a tiny bit at a time, and then I just work my way until I get the perfect amount. So because this was already pre-customized, I didn't want to cut too much into the hairline. I just wanted to get rid of any of that ashy, like white looking lace, so that way it'll blend better when I go to wrap my hair down. All right, as you guys can see, I'm just trying to get it as close to the hairline as possible without making it look crazy. And I feel like this looks perfect. Now, mind you guys, whenever you see me doing wig videos, just know I always have extra lighting. So I have my natural light, my studio lights, my glam core light, my ring lights, my photography lights. So it's just lighting on top of lighting. And this gives you how it looks if you were like on stage on a production. But obviously, I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video how this looks in natural lighting, which is natural sunlight. You know, if your lace looks good in really, really bright lighting and your makeup looks good in bright lighting, then it's going to look amazing everywhere else. So here I'm just using the band here. I'm just tying this around my hair, and I did let this sit for about 10 minutes. Just put a little bit of water on my hair off camera, and then I just took it off just to let it melt into my skin a little bit more. Yes, you can see the wig cap just a tiny bit. You can always move that back or put makeup on the unit, but I just wanted to leave this as is and not do too much to it. So I'm going to show you guys again how it looks in different lighting, but can we get into this hairline? Like, when I tell y'all I was feeling this hair so much, I done put on my little beach outfit, I done threw on my little loungy clothes, and I was just like, this is such a vibe. Y'all know I'm a sucker for curly hair. It's just such a vibe. So I'm going to link this 26-inch unit down below, and you guys let me know what you think of this unit. Thought it was super cute and super easy to install, and it literally was bomb.com. 26 inches and nice and full. So this is in the natural sunlight in my husband's area in our bedroom. And yeah, that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be sure to link all of Wig Fever's information down below. Bye guys.